Warning says, okay, I think we just can't touch the electrical thing or we're gonna die. We're just gonna keep on moving slow. Who is briefing the server? The carts are stacked and something just exploded. We gotta make it to the end, I think. Let's go. Oh, how did I get up here? Wait. No, stop it. What the heck? Why are the carts here? Oh my, thank you. I stole your card. Go. Stop. This person needs to move. Then you're gonna break the card. It's a self-destruction button. You're gonna go all the way to the opposite side of the world. It's gonna be so fun. It's okay. Everything is fine. What a lovely car ride. Okay, now we can go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I have no balance on it. What the heck? I'm gonna touch grass. Sit next to me. Anybody want to sit next to me? Why is that acorn flopping everywhere? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go. No. What the heck? How do I get up here? We're just gonna keep on moving slowly. It's okay. Nothing happened. You know. Why is that talking everywhere? Okay. You even need to use the cards. Can you just use your body? I feel like this is cheating, but it's working, so... Hey man, push the card away. Push it. Push it down. Push it off. Do not mess this up, please. Go. Just go. Red thing. Hey, why do I see a cart sparking over there? We're gonna have to be careful about that. Security checkpoint. Okay, just check it on the bad guy. Go. Is it going? Why is it red? Is it gonna explode? Oh, why did I die? Hey, everything is fine. What a lovely car ride. I'm not gonna get car sick. Why did I just get an award for bro? Something just exploded. I'm floating here. Oh my, I just lost. Bruh. Hey, I wanna get on. I wanna get on. Stop. Yeah. Stop. Yes. Wait, that looks safe. I wanna get on that. No. Yes, I mean. Why do I have to pay? Okay, I'm in a different server this time and hopefully... I don't know what the warning says. Okay, I think we just can't touch the electrical thing or we're gonna die. We're just gonna... Looks like a good server. You see a broken cart. I'm gonna get a normal cart and somebody already ruined it. Okay, I just gotta quickly get out. Let's go. Oh, I can't go. Yes, it's working. I fell. Should I try the private server? Oh my god, Doggo Gambia. You made a huge mistake. I'm in another server. Hopefully I don't get killed. Hopefully the cars don't go stupid.